Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video we will talk about iOS 27. So guys, every year Apple brings in new features, performance improvements and design changes to iPhone and iPad users. iOS 27 continues that tradition with smarter AI powered tools, improved customization options, enhanced privacy controls and a smoother overall user experience. Whether you are a casual user or a tech enthusiast, there is a plenty to look forward to do in this update. So guys, one of the highlights of iOS 27 is the upgraded Siri experience, which is now more intelligent and capable of understanding context better than ever before. Apple has also improved system-wide AI features to help user write messages, summarize content, and perform tasks more efficiently. In addition, the control center has received new customization options, making it easier to access your favorite things and shortcuts. So guys, Apple has also focused on performance and battery optimization. Apps launch faster, animation feels smoother, and many users report better battery management compared to previous version. So guys, privacy remains a top priority with new controls that give users greater transparency over how apps access personal information. Now let's talk about how to install the iOS 27 beta. Before you begin, make sure your device is compatible and create a full backup of your data before a software update. So guys, software may contain bugs, to backing up is highly recommended. So guys, if you want to download and install iOS 27 beta, then you have to simply open settings, go to general, then software update, and then wait here for some seconds. So guys, tap on beta updates from here and check this to iOS 27 developer beta. After this, go back and tap on update now and download and install iOS 27 beta on your device. So I simply tap on this, and after this your software will be updated to iOS 27. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.